Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to back up Opera GX data. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. As of my last knowledge update, Opera GX, like many browsers, doesn't have a built-in feature for users to create a comprehensive backup of all their data directly within the browser. However, you can manually back up some specific elements. Here's a general guide on how to do this. If you have Opera GX Sync enabled, your bookmarks, passwords, and other data might be synced across devices. To do this, click on the icon in the top right. Go to Synchronization and make sure to log in with your Opera account. Check the synchronization settings to ensure the data you want is being synced, but I think the best option is sync everything. And that's how to back up Opera GX data. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.